I told y'all, these animals are so amazing. Look at this little baby. What's up, little homie? You gon' come? Look at her. I told y'all, it's just, look at this coat. Look at it. Hey, oh, she said, wait a minute. Whoa, what's going on, Mom? Do that air feel good between your armpits? You're the wind beneath my wings, baby girl. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you side-eyeing me? You are a baby. What? What? Are you punking me? Oh, she coming for me, y'all. She coming for me. She said, I am not from here. I told you, I am not from here. I love it. I'm scared, though. Hey. Huh? I'm good, though. No, I'm